Here's a personal request from me to the United States government. Butt out. You don't have to butt out of everything. There are things you're pretty good at. I just want you to butt out of things that really shouldn't be any of your business, like sports betting. You know, I've said in previous commentaries, I'm not even a gambler, but it's up to me if that's what I want to do for fun and for profit, or the lack of it. The feds, the NCAA, the professional sports organizations have all banned the national legalization of wagering on their events. Oh, really? Well, what about the immense money machine that is fantasy sports? And New Jersey Governor Chris Christie and the people of his state decided to defy that ban and legalize wagering. Look, if they're afraid of the fix, then they better police that possibility, because something like that has gone on since competition began. In the UK, you can bet on anything, including the color of the Queen's hat, and they seem to have it all under control. Here's my bet. I'll wager everybody will have a better time as soon as the government butts out of sports betting. And the odds are on my side. I'm Pat McMahon.